Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming model compatibility and collecting parts, screen assembly, digitizer, adhesives, and precision tools, because mismatched components will fail. Once powered down, remove the SIM tray and take photos of each disassembly step so you can reverse it. You should work on an ESD-safe surface with good lighting. This prevents static damage and lost screws. As you open the device, keep screws grouped and labeled. Now remove the back panel and battery connector carefully to avoid shorting. That begins the physical replacement. Once the battery is isolated, gently heat the phone edges to soften adhesive so separation is controlled and even. Overheating damages components, so use moderate heat and move around the perimeter. You then lift the old display while freeing ribbon cables one by one. Label and photograph each connector to avoid mistakes. If you need to transfer earpiece, sensors, or front camera, do so against a static-safe backdrop and keep tiny brackets attached where possible. Make sure connectors click into place and that no flex cables are pinched. You now reconnect the battery briefly and power on to test the new display and touch responsiveness. This snapshot check avoids resealing problems. Once confirmed, remove power, apply fresh adhesive strips evenly, align the panel precisely, and press the edges with steady pressure to bond. Curing time ensures a proper seal. Reinstall screws to their photographed positions, replace the SIM tray, and run a full diagnostic, screens, proximity sensor, cameras. If touch is unresponsive, recheck connectors first. A loose cable is the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.